Well, it's 59 degrees here, and these people, tough, rugged Alaska people, are all out here at this little park, and they are swimming. Yes, they are swimming. In go the kids. There they go. They're having fun. They may not be in deep, but they are swimming. Some girls were waving to me on the swings. Yeah, rugged, hardy Alaskan people. The ice probably just came off that pond last week. Here we are at our beautiful campsite for the night. We are in Wasilla Walmart. And that's basically just because across the street over there is Safelite. And we have an appointment for tomorrow morning at Safelite to go and have, I don't know if this will show up, that chip repaired. All the driving we've done on all the gravel roads, we never got a rock chip. But on the way here, about 30 miles out of town, on the blacktop, a car coming the other way threw up a rock. And we got hit. So we're off to Safelite. Our insurance takes care of any chip repairs for free. And if we want to replace the whole windshield, it's a $500 deductible. So we have a beautiful grassy hill here full of dandelions next to our Walmart campsite. There's a couple other RVs parked here also behind us. So Nick has a chance to run around. Come on, Nick. Happy boy. Run, 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 run. Go on. Go play. Okay, run, 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 run. Come on, Nick. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Come on, Nick. Run off your seat. All your energy. Well, come on.
Run, run.
Come on, this way. Run in circles. Come on. I wonder what's coming out of the What Have You kitchen today. Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, we roasted a whole chicken. Oh my goodness. And we have a pot of mashed potatoes here. Look at that. Oh, is that thing beautiful. Oh, I worked my fingers to the bone roasting that one, didn't I, Steve?
Sure did.
Yeah, funny thing though, it came right from the deli at Walmart in Wasilla. So that's our dinner tonight. We just had salads, and now it's time for a rotisserie chicken and potatoes. So here we are at Safelite in Wasilla, getting our windshield chip taken care of. Our American Family Insurance covers the chip repair in full. Okay, here he adds a little bubble to protect from the UV rays while he's working on the chip. There's all the equipment. Well, I didn't do his face.
Oh, okay.
Steve says I should ask you, do you mind being on a video?
That's fine.
Okay, I didn't film his face. I filmed the equipment. So this is our handy dandy repair guy, and he's gonna take.
A little new, but I can do pretty good at what I do so far.
Good.
So.
Well, that's good to
I haven't
hear.
got any complaints yet.
Okay. There, we'll go film it from the inside now. Okay, here it is from the inside. Let's see if we can film. Right there is the chip. Can you see it? Looks like a squished mosquito on the windshield. So he cleaned it up. he put a little bit of some type of solvent in there, probably to suck out any moisture, and now he's getting the machine ready to vacuum seal and push the resin in. We've had 2 other chips on this windshield repaired by Safelite. They've been wonderful. And on our last motorhome, I think we had 6 or 7 of them repaired. So we kind of know the drill. It's nice to have them just take care of it than us trying to do it out in a campground somewhere. Because it's been raining and icky. Although we do have 2 patch kits with us just in case for chip repairs. If we're out in the boonies. But this happened only 30 miles away from Wasilla, which is where we are right now. He's going to attach this little suction cup. There we go. That's good. Suck out the moisture or the air, whatever. Now he has this device on that I think is curing it.
Perfect.
He has it centered right on the little chip. Nick is watching every step he does, making sure he does it right. Right, Nick? Yes. You're on guard. It's your job. You're very serious. Okay. Now he took off that suction device. Steve's out there jaw-jacking with the kid. Puts in some kind of filler. Remove the dome. What was that called on Get Smart? TV show in the 60s where they put the dome over to have a private conversation over their heads. Now he's cleaning it all up. Look at that. All gone. Barely see it. Good job. Looks great. Steve gave him a little tip. Maybe help him buy some lunch. The insurance covers this 100%. Which is a good deal for us.
Have a great day.
All done. Now you can see again, right?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, we're ready to roll. So where are we going next, dear?
Find a haircut place.
Oh, okay, we're gonna go get a haircut. Here's our before shot. Turn. And then we'll get an after. Okay, we're leaving the Great Clips in Wasilla, and Steve got his hair done. Looks really nice. And now we're heading the heck out of town because this is just crazy. There's people everywhere, and we gotta get out of here. So we are headed out to the west and then hopefully north up the Parks Highway.